taste, and alone in a throng unrecognized for her gift in her neck, hand-packed and ignored. Her life was a thwack. Every man she ever thought she'd found tried to keep her down, caged and bound, but she was born winged. Winged to be free, a fairy of love, but no one could see. Belle étranger, beautiful stranger, viens me trouver au milieu des fleurs. Belle étranger, when will you appear? Ton odeur est dans l'air et je te respire. Belle étrangère chez les fremde Frau, I don't understand, but das war sie genau. Belle étrangère, du bist so schick, gibst zu, in Wahrheit bist du eine Fee. In a world of flowers hidden between those big city towers, hiding at the florists, her races of calm. She knew this world could do her no harm. She pictured a prince in a shiny armor, but as he appeared, he was clearly no charmer, more of a backed creature, beaten and scared, but her heart told her now, and she dared. Belle étrangère, beautiful stranger, viens me trouver au milieu des fleurs. Belle étrangère, when will you appear? Ton odeur est dans l'air et je te respire. Belle étrangère chez les fremde Frau, I don't understand, but das war sie genau. Belle étrangère, du bist so schick, gibst zu, in Wahrheit bist du eine Fee.
His eyes silently shouted, "Help me, please." And she did, in an embracement, a kiss. And worlds collided in a celestial bliss.
Étranger, beautiful stranger, viens me trouver au milieu des fleurs. Belle étranger, when will you appear? Ton odeur est dans l'air et je te respire. Belle étrangère, chez de fremde Frau, I don't understand, but das war sie genau. Belle étrangère, du bist so schick, gibst du